Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Whoops. What's up, guys? Good morning. Sorry, I was grabbing my drink real quick, so give me a second. All right. Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's get into it. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to move this over here and move this over here. Let me remove this. Oh. Let me fix this. Let me share my other screen. I think that'll be better. Like this. Yo, good morning, Tony. Is Apex working for me today? I don't know. Let me see, because I just got on. Literally, I don't know. Let me check. Let me get on Apex and see if it's working. Like the website or just the account in general? Yeah, it's working for me, bro. It's completely working for me. What did you buy for Apex? Did you buy Tradeovate? All right, guys. So you can't place any trades. I don't know. Here, let me try on my own. See if I can place a trade. Yeah, I'm good. I can place a trade. It lets me place it. So I don't know why. Yeah, it's letting me place it. I don't know what's up with yours. But anyway, let me mark up the charts really quick, bro. But yeah, it's working for me. All right, so yesterday we closed heavily bullish. Obviously, this is looking like where we're trying to target and take out this daily high, previous daily high from what? This is like the 21st, a week ago. Come down to the 4-hour. I marked up this level because this is a 4-hour FEG. We have tapped into it already right here. I did want to see it come down a little bit further into like the 50% level before we jumped back up. But this happened during London. I wasn't awake. So yeah, no problem, bro. Are you trading on TradingView or are you using Tradeovate, like the website, the actual website? I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I was just trying to see why you are possibly not able to trade on there. Oh, hello. Oh, oh. All right. I would really like to see shorts first into longs. Oh, the mobile app. Well, I don't think you should use the mobile app, but it's not really the best. But are you logged into your account? Because on the mobile app, you have to use, I forgot what it's called, but you have to use like demo or something like that. Good morning, Sanj. I'm doing good, bro. I hope you are as well. All right. So we have sell side over here. We never came back to retest this New York Open. So we could. All right. Let's see what we got. We already took out Asia highs, Asia lows. We're creating equal highs here. But yeah, I really want shorts into longs. I'm going to be focusing on longs today because I really want this. I want this. If we can take out this London low or even retest this London open, I think that'll be the better idea. But so one or two things I'm looking at. I'm looking at a retest of this London open or to take out the London low, tap into this FVG a little bit more, and then take longs to go higher. Yeah, did you log in, Tony? Is Yancy okay? Retail having a significant long bias, is it possible that there would be a short squeeze to liquidate? Yes, of course. Of course, there's always going to be some type of short squeeze, long squeeze, because the market doesn't just go up, it doesn't just go down. Love you. Sorry, I had to get some smoochies from the wifey before she went to work. But yeah, the market doesn't just go up, it doesn't just go down. There's always something to squeeze out of something. Like yesterday, caught some shorts, right? The smaller end of the stick were shorts, and the longer end of the stick were longs. The smaller RR were shorts yesterday, and the higher RR were longs yesterday. So there's always going to be some type of scalping in between as well. We do have news today, guys. I forgot about that. Almost forgot. But it's just meeting minutes. It's at 2 p.m. though. We do have orange folder news at 10 a.m. So yeah. Let's see what we get into here. How long should we wait to see the bias trend? This is the bit that I'm not timing right. So bro, you need to really, really, really pay attention to times of volume. Okay, and when do times of volume really start to come in? Typically during market opens. Okay, so we have London open here, 3 a.m. for Eastern Standard Time. Not really much going on here, right? Just chopping up. And then around 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we had a huge pump. So sometimes for London, I've seen huge pumps come in right at 3 a.m. or it usually waits about 2 hours after open, and then around 5 o'clock or so, you see something like this. For New York, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, 9:30. Okay, this was 9:35 yesterday, 9:30, and then boom, we just pumped. For Asia session, let's find a nice one. I don't really like Asia, so I'm not really a fan of Asia. It's just the volume in Asia is just terrible. I'd rather use Asia for areas of TP. But yes, you have to really pay attention to times of volume, bro, and when times of volume come in, and that's when you need to be trading. I mean, you can trade when there's not much volume. Some people like to trade more when there's not much volume. Some people scalp more when there's not much volume. So it really depends on how you want to trade. Today it's a little ugly. So got to be patient. And right now, bro, I'm waiting for 9:30 EST before I consider whatever my bias is. Because right now, I mean, like I said, my bias is shorts into longs, but I'm sorry, whatever my entry will be, not bias. So it's 9:19 a.m. right now. I'm literally waiting 11 more minutes to figure out exactly what New York Open wants to do. But I want shorts first into longs. I want longs, really. Good morning, Ace. Let's go, brother. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Now, if we fail to seek these highs and go higher, then I'll look for shorts. But right now, I am bullish, baby. I'm bullish, baby. I've been bullish since fucking like literally like last week. Last week, I saw this happening. I literally already saw this shit happening. All this space right here, like I said yesterday, all this space, all this liquidity that we had in these candles to the left on the higher time frame, and now we're here, and now look what we are approaching. If we look left on the higher time frame, okay, that's all you have to do really is just look left to see what we could possibly be mirroring or rejecting from, yada yada yada. And this is exactly what we're playing off of right now. So if you trade supply and demand zones, this is technically a pretty big supply zone. And the fact that New York Open is inside or right here where the supply zone is tells me that this New York Open is going to be very strong. It's going to be very strong. But I really want to see this. Oh. This is really what I want to see. And then target all of these highs. It's TP. This is what I want. Now we could get a nice scalp lower from New York Open, a nice short scalp. But I want longs. But literally the fact that we are sitting right here at this supply zone, I want to make sure that we aren't just going to drop. Because now, technically, we did already grab all this liquidity here. So is it enough liquidity to pump us up? Or are we going to react from this supply zone and start pumping back down? So let's see what happens here. We have 8 minutes until New York Open. We're just observing to see what it does in the meantime. You're welcome, Sanj. Let's see here. This was a great trade. Whoever was awake for this shit. Whoop, whoop. I might take a little short here. It's not really that big of a RR though. Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's wait for 9:30. We're waiting for 9:30. I'm not taking a fucking trade until 9:30. I'm not taking a fucking trade until 9:30. Jesus. Ugh. We're breaking below now. So if I can see 9:30 come back up into New York Open and I can see it starting to reject, I'll take some shorts for a scalp. But a lot of times I gotta wait for that 9:30 because you never fucking know. You just never know. Because right now we're retesting Asia low. I mean, not Asia low, Asia high, and this New York high that we bounced or broke past, right? Pretty much a break of structure. So, and we're doing the same thing here on ES. So if we can come back below here, oh great. Then yeah, I'm definitely taking shorts. But if not, then I'm just gonna be taking longs. Fuck, I gotta use a bathroom. I always have to use a bathroom at this time. My body is routined. Okay, I got 3 minutes, so I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. Ugh. Oh, it's chilly. Let's see what we can get today. I'm not gonna stay on too long today. I'm kind of tired. La 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 la. Yeah, did anybody take trade for London? This fucking huge move. God, how many points was this? Okay, it's not. I mean, it's only 100 points. I thought it was a little bit more than that, to be honest. Yo. No true confirmation yet for anything, so still waiting, guys. Still waiting here. All right, so yeah, see, we broke past it, but doesn't look like we're trying to go lower. Doesn't look like we're trying to go lower. I thought this was ES. This is still NQ. Doi. Oh my gosh. $9:30 open. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Market's about to shoot up. Hell yeah, it is, bro. That is exactly what I'm expecting. But I need... Here, let me see this really quick. Now we got a 1 hour FEG sitting here. We're going to go short first into long. Yeah, this is NQ. NAS100 and NQ, same thing. But yeah, we're going to go shorts into longs. Pretty certain about that. Pretty certain. So you guys get that finger ready because it could be off of here. It could be on the next 30 because the next 30 is the 4 hour open. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, I want to retest and then boom. Boom! Wabba! 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 Oh. Nothing yet. I'm fucking weird. I know, guys. I know. You ain't got to tell me twice. You don't have to tell me. Oh, I bought one of my own Apex accounts. Oh, goddamn. What the fuck was that? Goddamn. We're not going to come down first. Because I want to come down first. I want to grab some of the liquidity from here, from this London move. Grab some of that, and then bounce back up. That's what I want, so give it to me. High, low, somewhere in here. High. It's not really moving though in the first 3 minutes, and that's what we did. This is what we did in the first 3 minutes. It's just like there's no true confirmation for me take anything. Not yet. Now, let's say that we break above here. Then I'll get it in on some longs off of a pullback or a retest, whatever. What's up, Jason? Good morning, bro. In a channel, 21511, 21489. In a channel, I don't understand. What channel? Where? I don't see it, bro. I don't see it at all, bro. Ain't nothing. Oh, supply. Yes, we are. Yeah, it's on the 1 hour too. It's pretty much on all time frames. It's a pretty big supply zone. Pretty big supply zone if that's what you trade. So yeah, what I'm trying to see is how it reacts to this level, because New York Open is also inside of the supply zone, which is indicating, excuse me, which is indicating that there is a lot of liquidity resting here. So I'm trying to see exactly where it wants to take us. Do we want to break through the supply zone, or do we want to react off of the supply zone just a little bit to go into longs? But now ES is literally right here at the top of these highs. It's just pretty choppy. I'm not really liking it right now. Just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. Gotta wait for that A+ setup. The A+ setup. Somebody said, well, my mentor said he's not trading live today because of FOMC today. It's just minutes. It's just minutes. It's nothing like too serious. But they could be why we're chopping up right now. It's looking very ugly. I was actually already wondering if I was going to trade today myself, because I don't think we're going to get a big move. Well, we could, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm over here trying to predict, and I don't fucking know. But yeah, if we can close above here, bro, that'd be great. We are just following. All right, so ES just took out these highs first, and NQ did not. So technically, we have an SMT. Blah, blah, blah. Sometimes this fucking magnet is really annoying. Okay. Yeah, NVIDIA earnings are coming out today as well. Well, after the market closes. But yeah. We could be pretty choppy, or we could be okay. We might have one big move and then just chop up. But I don't really want to force anything, guys, so whatever happens, happens. SMT. Boom. All right, so we just took out this high, this New York Open. Boom. What did we take out on ES here? All right, guys, so I'm going to be, oh, well, I was going to grab a long, but we might take out our, okay, well, we might take our out our target earlier than I want. I mean, yes, they trade on different prices, bro, but they're still the same thing. They move the exact same. The only thing that's different about them are the numbers. They're literally the same thing. So we just took out all of these levels of buy side liquidity. Oh man, I should have known from that one actually. All right, guys. I'm looking for buys. I want longs off of a pullback here, but we already took out my levels of liquidity. That's the problem. That is the problem. All right. I'm not trading my combines today. I'm not trading my combines today, but I will be grabbing some longs here in a second. I'm sorry. Did I say I'm not trading combine? I'm not trading my PAs today. I'm trading combine. Just one combine, just because of the news today. And I mean, shit, my mentor's not even fucking trading today. Oh, okay. Let's see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening here. All right, I'm gonna grab some longs here, guys. I'm gonna be targeting. I want some longs here, really. I'm gonna be targeting just this high. Now, if we inverse this FVG, I'll probably be taking shorts, but longs seem like the better move today. All right, I'm going to be scaling in here, guys. I'm in on my combine. It's a one-day pass combine, so I am going to be risking a little heavy here. A little heavy. All right, so here's my highest entry, and then if it comes lower, I'll start adding more here. Now the thing is, I really want to watch is that we don't inverse that FVG. That's what I don't want. Now we can tap into it and retrace from it and go higher. I'd be okay with that. All right, I entered again here, guys. I entered again here. Okay. Let's see. See, if we inverse that, that's a problem. It looks like we're trying to inverse. Oh, we're inversing. We're inversing. Oh, we're retesting New York Open. Okay. Nice retest. Nice retest. Oh, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're going from here. Nice retest. Very nice retest from New York Open. And then target here. If you're in from this retest, you can have stops below here to go higher. But yeah, we should see higher. We should see higher. I'm only in on my combine, so I really don't give a booty cheeks about this trade. I don't care about this trade. Which time frame is this? This is the 15. This is the 1 hour. But now this is the 5. Or maybe we are inversing and just going lower. Let's see it. I got out of that one. I should have known from here. That's okay. That's okay. Let's see if we break this low. Break that low. Yeah, we're gonna break that low. Yeah, this was shorts. Good shorts. That was a nice inverse for shorts into that low. should show you guys my screen, but hey, grab longs from here. I'm scalping like cray. I'm scalping. I came late, sir, but which POI are expecting today? Just hold on a sec, bro. Are expecting price to go to for entry. Well, there's that. I really want to see price come from here. I might take longs from here, guys, because this is really where I wanted my original entry. But looking at ES and looking at NQ already took out the highs that were going to be my target. ES did not. So what we could be doing is retesting this London Open just like I wanted, and then pumping up, or we're just going to continue down because now we just filled this entire supply zone. We took out DOL. We started rejecting, going lower. So we could go lower. Hello. Tradeovate's being fucking dumb right now. Okay. Market told me F your couch, took me out. Yeah, that's okay. It made sense. We took out DOL. We had this FEG sitting here, inversed it. That was it. That was the strategy as well. That was another strategy of mine. Goddamn. This is a FEG sitting here too. I think I'm gonna take this. 3, 6. Yep. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I'm gonna take. So we broke past New York Open. We just retested it technically. But I see longs more than anything. This was my trade, guys. It already pretty much played out. But 4 hour closes in 6 minutes. So maybe we'll get that London Open trade. Let's see what the 4 hour open does. And I think I will take this trade on my PA. On my PA today. That was an obvious trade. Five minutes. Four minutes. I'm going to be taking longs very fucking soon. Excuse me. Oh, sorry, Ama. Are you still here? I didn't answer your question. I think I answered your question, but not really. I came late, sir. But which POI point of interest are you expecting price to go to for entry? I'm expecting this London Open to be retested, and then into longs. It could either retest here, it could retest at this 50% level, or we could come all the way down here, take out the low, and then possibly start pumping back up. But yeah. Oh, it literally just tapped into it, and I missed it. Literally just tapped into it just now. That was actually a nice reaction off of London Open there. I'm going to scale in here. I'm going to start scaling in my position. I wanted it a little bit lower, but that's okay. I only have one con in right now just to scale. But yeah, see how pretty much perfectly it tapped off of this London Open? All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see how high we can go here. All right, I'm gonna go BE quite soon. All right, I'm BE. All right, I'm BE. I'm BE. I'm BE. If it comes back down and takes me out, I'm just gonna wait for another entry. All right, well, it just took me out. So I might just get off for the day, guys. Because this was the move. This was the move right here. Let's get rid of this New York Open. This was the move right here. 5-minute inverse FVG. And yeah, it just shot down. 73 points. 73 points. That was the move. Missed it. That's okay. It'll happen again. It will happen again. Just watching it literally because of fucking ES. So again, we took out all the highs on NQ, all the highs in the same area, but we did not take it all out on NQ or on ES. So that's telling me either we're going to drop very fucking hard, or we're about to shoot the fuck up. But I'm really more so long or bullish for the bias. Oh, I just saw your text or your chat, Tony. My bad, bro. Looks like we're actually bouncing from here pretty well. Ugh. Yeah, it's looking like it's starting to chop up a bit. See you later, Sanj. I'll see you tomorrow. Yep, tomorrow is my last day being live on Trading Nut Stream for the week. And then after that, I'll be back on Monday. So yeah, last day is tomorrow for the week. I'll see you later, brother. Have a good rest of your day. I'm probably about to get off myself, actually. Yeah, we had that orange folder news, but it's just fucking orange folder, so nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. I like how ES is rejecting here. I think I will grab my longs now. I think I'll grab longs again. I gotta say something though. I gotta say. We have an SMT on ES and on NQ. Let's see. My bias is longs. If we can take this low and then reject, but if we do that, then the SMT will be broken. God damn. You hate trading Wednesdays? Yeah, sometimes they're pretty good though. Sometimes they're good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just hop off here, guys. I don't really want to wait around anymore. It's been um yeah. Consolidating here, fighting in this FVG in this London Open. It's looking short. It's looking like we could inverse this FEG on the 1 hour to go lower. This thing is always in the way. God damn, guys. What a day. What a day. You know what I just said to myself, guys? I said, let's try it. I was literally about to hit the fucking enter button. What kind of thought process is that? What kind of thinking is that? That's terrible thinking. That's too risky thinking. Why would I think like that? That's terrible. This is why you hate Wednesdays? Well, shit, don't trade Wednesdays, bro. Choose a day you don't want to trade for the week. I don't trade Fridays. I hate Fridays. Fridays are one of my worst days historically. I don't know why, but I hate Fridays. I do feel like sometimes Fridays might be one of my historically worst trading days because it's the last day of the week. So I'm trying to get on a trade before the market closes. having a little bit of FOMO in that aspect. But yeah, I think I'm gonna grab some longs, guys. I think I'm not gonna do anything. I think I'm just going to go ahead and get off because I can feel a sense of urgency to click the button and take a trade. So I'm just going to get off before I make a stupid mistake. But I do see longs here. I just don't know how high it's going to go anymore because we already took out my objectives, right? We took out these objectives. These were my objectives. We already took it out. So I don't know now. Now the only objective for sell side is down here, but I want longs. Yeah. See you tomorrow, Jason. I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Have a good rest of your day, man. Stay safe with whatever you're doing. But yeah, all right, guys. I'm going to get off here. Who's on? Who's on? Is Tony here? Is Tony here? Well, hold on a second. All right, guys. I'm actually going to take this. I actually like this a lot. Yeah, I actually like this a lot. Yeah, I like this a lot. Let's see if we can come up here and do that. But right here, let's see. I need a 1-to-1. I'm in these longs here from right here, 460. I'm only in 2 cons. Well, I'm in 3 now. 463. And then I'm just going to go break even because it's a risky trade. But if I'm correct, this is literally the bottom. Let's see what happens if I get stopped out here. Oh, okay. Well, I already got stopped out. Alrighty, guys. Oh, shit. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and hop off a hill. Okay. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Well, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, look at that. I kind of just want to see what happens here. Is this it? Is this what I've been waiting for? I have been waiting for it. This was it. Yeah, that was the entry. Nice. But I'm not taking it. So yeah, that was nice. That was nice. This was the entry. This could have been a nice little quick scalp. 30 points real quick. Yeah, that's fucking nice. It's fucking nice. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh my god, that's fucking nice. Okay, hold on a minute. What the fuck? Of course, I decided to get off and literally goes to my entry, which was right here. This was my original entry. Wow. Whatever. Watch this bitch go all the way up. Watch this bitch go all the fucking way up and take out this 4-hour high. Oh, ES is breaking the trend. Man, I wouldn't take it, but I'm good. Slow market. Very slow market today. Anyway, if anybody's on here, let's do some Wordle. Okay, there's just an R in it. A. There's no E. Let's see. Okay. So the O is right. Lower. I don't fucking know. It's not even a word. It's not even a fucking word. Hurrah. Hooray. The A is right. There's no H. G O L A R. Collar. Father. R-O-L-A. Rolap? That's not even a word. Oh, R is not there. So R has to be where L is. Okay. Polar. Yo, we got it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. We use our brain. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just want to see one more time. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a good rest of your day. Remember to don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, Apex has 90% off going on until, I think it's tomorrow. Let me see. Oh, it actually ends today at 11:59. It ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. So you guys can use Trading Nuts code. You guys can also join the Discord. Here is the Discord. We'll be posting out coupon codes, analysis, strategy, whatever you guys want. Looks like ES wants this London low, huh? I don't think NQ will take the London low, but I think ES will. This would be something like this. Something like this. All right. All right, guys. I'll see you later. I might take this on one account, one PA. But at the same time, I don't really want to sit in the chop because I don't really have like a true confirmation for anything. But wow. I'm getting some ideas just because I like all these rejections in London Open and I like how this is happening here. Yeah, I think I'm going to grab some longs, guys. Yeah, I'm going to scale back in here. Yeah, I'm going to scale back in here, actually, instead of getting off. It looks like the setup is setting up very well, actually. What I'm going to do is very small risks. Yeah. Let's keep it here. Let's keep it there for now. This is my entry right here. Let's see where we can go with it. Honestly, if we break this low, we're completely invalid. So let's keep it there. It's a pretty valid stop here. Let me see. ES is right here at this low. Expecting ES to bounce us back up. See ES bounces back up. We got an SMT. Ugh. All right, so if we can, coming up both at the same time, ES and NQ. Oh, we're pumping up, guys. We're pumping up. We're pumping up. We should pump here. We should pump here. I don't know how much higher we're gonna go, but we should pump here. Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to close most of my position at the top of this 4-hour wick if we break this high. So I have 3 in now. I'm only going to be closing 2 here. Damn, that is a nice push. Very nice. Very nice. Closing 2 here. Right here at the top of this 4-hour wick. I'm bringing stops above here. Well, might get stopped here. Nice pullback. So yeah, as soon as we break that high, this high here on the 1, we should be good to pump up. All right, so now I'm going to be selling 2 here at this high. Come on. Come on. You're curving. Well, I got stopped at BE. Maybe waiting for ES to take this fucking low. All right, so ES just took the low. All right, I'm out of this shit. I'm done, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from 1 lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.